Let's get straight to it. 2015 Chrysler 200. This is the V6 3.7 liter engine. All right, so this is the belt here, and the tensioner is right here to the left, you can see. So there's one bolt up here on the tensioner to remove it. Of course, you want to remove the belt first. So you use the tensioner for what it's used for, turn it counterclockwise. This belt will loosen up, and then you can take the belt off of the pulley, and then you can change that tensioner. Like I say, it's just one bolt up there. There's almost no room to get to that bolt. You're gonna have to lower this engine in order to get that bolt out, or to even get a tool on top of that bolt. But you're gonna have to remove the motor mount and lower the engine down just to get that out. So unfortunately, they made this job extra hard for no reason, because yeah, like I said, you gotta have to lower this engine just to get this part out.